pull this up and out. Just like that. Okay. Let's be raising this up. There we go. Good. All right, now we're gonna take the drain, the radiator cap off. Now release pressure up top, and then more will come radiator out. Cap off. We're gonna release pressure. Water's gonna come out down here. So let's watch it. And just like that, with all that coolant coming out. I'm gonna try to. I didn't even pull it out. I just turned this knob. I want to kind of control the flow a little bit, like that. It's kind of everywhere. Okay, that's kind of better. I'll just let it drain out slow. Wait till it's done draining, and we'll keep going. We lost about a gallon, or about four to 5 quarts worth of coolant. I did put the drain plug back on. Now we can go up to the top, and we're gonna remove the radiator cap. I mean, we're gonna remove the upper radiator hose, and then we're going to pull the radiator fan out. Okay. Okay, shit. That's all. Okay, those two are off. Now there are 3 10 mils. Let's remove them. Wow, okay, I wasn't even recording. No. Damn. Okay. And she's out. Alrighty, there she goes. Okay, all that being clean, now we can get our new thermostat. Notice that this is like that clothy kind of style gasket. I'm not going to put any kind of Permatex on here or any kind of, they have water pump / thermostat housing sealant, but this is like that paper style. I mean, this is like a cloth kind of style gasket. I don't like using it on these types. And I think there's an adhesive on here too. If there's adhesive on here, I'll peel it off and I'll put it on. So when we put it on, it'll like stick on it. Remember, the paper side goes on the thermostat side, and it'll look something like that. All right. It is in type. It does have a adhesive on it, so notice that it's sticking. I'm still gonna put a bolt through just so that it doesn't move at all. Let's get this. Torque this housing to 80 inch-pounds. That's 2. That's 3. All right. So we're just gonna walk it down. Put this air box back. And just tighten this 10 mil down and put the little extra air cover right here. Okay, now I'm about to start the bleeding process. Took the radiator cap off. I'm using something called a no spill kit. Comes with adapters, a whole bunch of them. Find an adapter that sits in there like this. Get the radiator cap that mimics that radiator cap. And we're gonna do this right here. And that locks in. I mean, oh, okay, it does work, but let me just check. All right, what's important is, even though it's not like super tight, as long as this yellow part does not move, that's perfect. Pull this out. Now we're gonna put this in here like so. Don't push too hard. It's plastic, you know. If you push or pull too hard, you could crack the housing. All right, you guys, whenever you're filling up coolant, you make sure you get coolant for your car. Notice that it says for Infiniti. This is pre-2009. This is 03. Don't ever get universal coolant. It'll make your car not cool right. Coolant can turn like milky, and you can have overheating problems and eventually lead to head gasket problems. Pay the extra money, get the right stuff. We're gonna fill this up now. And as you fill it up, you probably will see bubbles. That's perfectly normal. Until we get some extra coolant in here, I'm just gonna keep this going. Okay, everything is pushed down, everything is in. I did pack it a little bit with a paper towel to like kind of make it a little bit more firm. Coolant was leaking out, it's not anymore. That's good. Do not add any coolant to your overflow. Now that we have a little extra in here, I end up pouring more in here, but for right now it's fine. We're gonna go in the car, we're gonna start it up. Oh. Okay, see no more air bubbles. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Here we go. We're in neutral. Let's start her up. Ooh. Okay, she's running, she's quiet, that's good. Bring the temperature up to 90. Have the air coming straight at us. I'll put it up second heat. Now what we're gonna do by doing that is we're allowing the coolant to get into the heater core. Right now it's super cool, just feels like straight up air. As time goes on and the air bleeds out the system, what's gonna happen is the heater core is gonna bleed and we're gonna get our heat back, okay? All right, let's get outside to the car. Pay attention to your level, mine's going up, but you can see those bubbles. Slowly but surely, they just keep coming up, the engine's burping itself. Waiting for our heat to come back. We're just gonna keep letting this thing run. All right, now it's been over 20 minutes. I kind of stopped seeing bubbles and the coolant just kept rising. Now you got excess or extra, you just let it fill up to the max. There we go. Now she's on tight. Good.
The next day.
We were at about 140. Car is up to temperature, as you can see there, and that is awesome. I guess we're supposed to hover around about 200 degrees. Car feels great. With this car, the only thing is that I just had to keep popping that screw. So basically, to start over, I would say when you start bleeding the car, you pop open that screw by the heater core, you fill it with coolant, and you just slowly just keep letting water flowing out of that for a little while. Once you let that fill out, fill up your no spill kit funnel, squeeze that hose right by the radiator. Just keep squeezing it, keep letting the bubbles go. Take the what do you call it, let it bleed, let it run it up to 2500 revs, 10-15 seconds. Just keep doing that. Let the car cool, open up the bleeder screw, let more air come out. This is a little bit more time consuming to bleed this car like than other vehicles, but other than that, we're not overheating anymore. Car feels great, car staying at optimal temperature. So thanks for watching, you guys. Until next time, out. Bye.